Hi, welcome to Dr. Zahir Math. In this video, we are going to do exercise 2.6 implicit differentiation for the course MA101 Bachelor degree program, Calculus 1. And the topic is what? Implicit differentiation. Let me explain what is implicit differentiation. Sometimes x and y are not separated in an equation. They are mixed together. What is this, teacher? Mixed together. Let me give an example. X square plus y square is equal to 25. It is mixed together, x and y together. So far in all the last 5 exercises, I give you the function x square and you will differentiate, you will get 2x, right? And I give always y is equal to some x plus 3, x square plus 3. So immediately you do dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 3 is what? 0. But right now, you are going to take a derivative of x square plus y square is equal to 25. How are you going to take derivative? Let me say differentiate with respect to x. If I differentiate with respect to x, x square is what? 2x. And the constant derivative is what? 25, 0. And what is the derivative of y square? You cannot stop it with dy. If you do with respect to x, 2y means you have done with respect to y. But you have to do what? With respect to what? X. So after that, you have to differentiate y with respect to x. So you should write dy by dx. So this is called implicit differentiation, right? So in such cases, we cannot differentiate normally. So we use implicit differentiation. So in this lesson, I will explain all the rules, the formulas, and then solve the equations step by step. So please take your notebook and pen or open your iPad and follow me. After explaining the method, I will write everything, the rules, normal derivatives, all these things I will do it, okay? Right. So once again, I wanted to tell you some important points. What are the important points, teacher? The first one, when x and y are mixed, mixed means what? Together. Then in that place, you should use implicit differentiation. You should do what? Implicit differentiation, okay? It means what? You have to differentiate both sides, keep in your mind, both sides with respect to x, you are going to do it. And what is the third point, teacher? Treat y as a function of x. Treat y as a function of x. Just now I gave you an example. Y derivative is dy by dx. But what is the derivative of y square, teacher? 2y dy by dx. Keep in your mind. Okay, right. And sometimes you need to use chain rule also. So keep in your mind, use chain rule properly. That is the previous exercise. Okay. At the end, this is very, very important. At the end, keep dy by dx one side. Okay. And all the other terms means what? Which is free from dy by dx to the other side. After equal or before equal, whatever it is, any one side. It means what? In general, what we can say in English? At the end, isolate. Isolate means what? Just move dy by dx one side and the other terms to the next side. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a set of rules. Rules in the sense what? Right. For the derivatives, what I will give you, remember? What is the derivative of x? It is 1. What is the derivative of x square? It is 2x. Remember all of you? Yes or no? And what's the derivative of x cube? It is 3x square. And what's the derivative of something, for example, sine x? Derivative is what? Cosine x. What's the derivative of cosine x? Negative sine x, right? What's the derivative of e power x? It is e power x. What's the derivative of e power 2x? E power 2x multiplied by 2. And what's the derivative of ln x? It's 1 by x. Why, teacher, you are telling all these things? Because we already studied in the first 2-3 exercises. Now, what do you want to say? I'm going to talk about now about y. So if y comes, what's your derivative? Dy by dx. Let me write the rule. This is, you call it as expression or function, whatever it is. And this one you call it as derivative. Okay, right. So if y comes, dy by dx. If y square comes, 2y, you have done with respect to y. But what is the question? With respect to x. So dy by dx. Keep in your mind. What about y cube, teacher? Y cube is 3y square. You have done with respect to y. After that, you're going to do what? Dy by dx. Okay, teacher, give me with x and y. Let me give you x square plus y square. What is the derivative of x square? 2x. Because why? All the derivatives are what? With respect to x. Okay. What about the derivative of y square? 2y dy by dx. Again I'm telling, if you do only 2y, you have done with respect to y. You have not done with respect to x. If you write this one, then only it is with respect to x. Keep in your mind. Okay. Very simple. Only the understanding is very important. Let me give you the next rule. Sine y. What's the derivative of sine y? It is not just cosine y. If you do cosine y, it is only with respect to what? Y. Nobody will ask you a question, differentiate with respect to y. Everybody will ask you a question, differentiate with respect to x only. So after cos y, what is your answer? Which is dy by dx. Keep in your mind. Okay, right. Let me go for cosine y. What is cosine y? Negative sine y. After that, y derivative is what? Dy by dx. Okay. E power y derivative is e power y, and then you have to multiply by what? Dy by dx. Okay, let me give you product. Okay, sine of xy. Okay, cosine of xy. Yes, you have done with respect to sine. Now this function you are going to take the derivative with respect to what? X. Okay, now it looks like what? Product. So what is product rule? Keep the first one, take the derivative of second one. Keep the second one, take the derivative of what? First one. So open the bracket. Keep x, derivative of y is dy by dx, plus keep y, derivative of x is what? 1. Clear everybody? Okay. I'll give you some functions with plus. Okay, nice. So I'll give you, for example, cosine x plus y. What's the derivative of this one? Cosine is negative sine x plus y. It is finished? No. You have to start next one. What is the derivative of x plus y? X derivative is what? 1. But y derivative is what? Dy by dx. Why, teacher, here you did not use product rule? There is no product rule. It is plus. Okay, right. Okay, teacher, do the derivative for ln, teacher. Ln y. Ln y is 1 over y, like ln x. What is the derivative of y? Derivative of y is dy by dx. So look at all these rules. We are multiplying by dy by dx if it is alone. If it is product, we are doing the multiplication inside. Clear all of you? Right. So let's go to your questions in the classwork homework sheet. Okay. First question, which is example 1. Example 1. Right. If x square plus y square is equal to 25, find dy by dx. This is the first question. Okay. Right. So let me go to the solution. What is given? X square plus y square is equal to 25. Take the derivative with respect to differentiate. Very important. Differentiate with respect to x. With respect to what? So differentiate with respect to x. Right? Okay. Now when I differentiate x square, what is the answer? 2x. When I differentiate y square, it is 2y. No, it is implicit. So we are going to do multiply by what? 2y dy by dx. What is the derivative of 25? It's 0. Now we are going to find what? Dy by dx. So 2y dy by dx is equal to, take this one to the other side, negative 2x. Right. So now the question is find dy by dx. So dy by dx equals minus 2x divided by 2y. So 2 gets cancelled. So you are going to get what? Dy by dx is equal to negative x divided by y. Clear all of you? Right. This is your example 1, first question A. Right. Then the second question is, in the same thing, you have the second question. The B question is, find the equation of the tangent. Find the equation of tangent. Find the equation of tangent of to the circle or of the circle, no problem. Find the equation of tangent to the circle. X square plus y square is equal to 25 at the point 3, 4. This is the next question, which is B question. First of all, you should remember what is the formula for equation of tangent. Let me give you the formula for equation of tangent, which you already studied in the prep here, but still again I will give you. Equation of the tangent, it is like a straight line. What is tangent? This is a circle. This one point, this is called tangent. Tangent is a straight line. Keep in your mind. So the formula is y minus y1, y minus y1 equals, okay, m times x minus x1. This is the formula for equation of tangent to the circle, right? What is your m? M, it is slope. But in differential calculus, we call slope as dy by dx. Clear all of you? So just now we calculated our dy by dx, okay? So dy by dx, which is equal to m and which is equal to minus x divided by y. So slope is a number, keep in your mind. So dy by dx, I'm going to calculate at the point 3, 4, which is given in the question. I have given here, see here, 3, 4. So which is 3, 4 is minus 3 divided by 4. So this is your slope m. This is your slope m. Now we are going to write the equation of tangent. So therefore, equation of tangent is equal to equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. What is your x1, y1 teacher? The point 3, 4. This is your x1 and this is your y1. And what is your m teacher? Minus 3 by 4. So y minus y1. y1 is 4, which is equal to, right, times x minus x4. Minus 3 by 4 times x minus x1. x1 is what? 3. So this equals, you need to write in the equation model, just multiply, which is minus 3 over 4x, and then minus of minus is going to become what? Plus. So 3 by 4 times 3. Okay, right. So y minus 4 is equal to negative 3 over 4 by x plus 3 3s are how much? 9. 9 by 4. So y minus 4 equals, I'll take this 4 that side. Y equals minus 3 over 4x plus and then plus 9 by 4, and this 4 goes that side. Okay, right. So this equals y equals minus 3 over 4x plus, take 4 as LCM or you put it in the calculator, this one. If you put this in the calculator, you will get 25 divided by 4. C means calculator, okay. So this is 4, 4, 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. So 25 by 4. So therefore, if I multiply throughout by 4, this is also answer. You can keep it this also answer, no problem. But still, it is not beautiful, right? Let's make it beautiful. So when I multiply by 4, what happens? Y equals, 4y equals, I'm multiplying by 4. So minus 3 by 4x, I multiply by 4. And 25 by 4, I multiply by 4. Okay, right. So this is the one, I multiply by 4, I multiply by 4, I multiply by 4. So now what happens now? 4y is equal to 4, 4 gets cancelled, negative 3x plus 4, 4 cancel, it's going to become 25. So I'll bring this, sorry, I touch. Okay. Now I bring this 3x this side. So it is 3x plus 4y. 4y is already here, right? So 4y is already here, which is equal to 25. So this is the equation of the straight line. 3x equals 4y is equal to 25. Teacher, do I need to simplify this one? Not necessary. This is also answer, but to make it beautiful, we are doing like this. Okay, everybody? Right. Because why I'm doing this step? Because you see 4, 4 common is coming. So why keep 4 unnecessarily? If I multiply by 4, the answer looks so beauty, right? So we need beautiful answers, right? Always we like beautiful things, right? So that is why I'm writing the answers in a beautiful way, right? Let's go to example 2. That is the next question. Let me stop the video, write the questions, and then I'll come back to you. The question is x cube plus y cube equals x6xy. Find y dash. Y dash means what? Dy by dx. This is y dash. Okay, right. So let's start the question. So let's go to the solution, right? So given is x cube plus y cube is equal to 6xy. So far in the exercise 1, 2, 3, all the questions are y equal to. Now y is inside. Keep in your mind, okay? Right. Now we are going to do what? Differentiate with respect to what? Differentiate, right? With respect to x. When I do differentiation with respect to x cube derivative is what? 3x square. And y cube derivative is what? Y cube is 3y square. But then y derivative is what? Dy by dx. So 3y square times dy by dx is equal to 6xy. 6 is a constant. Okay. And xy is there. Keep in your mind. You're going to use product rule. Okay, keep in your mind product rule. What is product rule? Keep x, derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. Keep y, derivative of x is what? 1. Clear everybody? Right. So this equals 3x square plus 3y square dy by dx is equal to, just multiply this, 6x dy by dx plus again 6 multiply this term, it will be 6y. Clear? Clear everybody? Right. Now what is our question? Our question is find y dash. Y dash means what? You are going to find dy by dx. So keep all the dy by dx one side and the remaining terms other side. That's the points I said in the beginning of the video, right? So this is dy by dx, this is dy by dx. Keep one side. So 3y square dy by dx and then minus 6xy dy by dx one side. The other side we are bringing this one. What are they? This one, it is going that side, 3x square, right? Already 6y is here, so 3x square plus 6y. It goes that side with minus sign, sorry. Right. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take amal mushtarak, dy by dx, common term. Arabic word amal mushtarak. My pronunciation may not be good, but amal mushtarak, okay? So what is baki? Baki is 3y square minus 6x. Clear all of you? Right. So this is equal to, right? So negative 3x square plus 6y. What is our job? Our job is to find what? Dy by dx. So what we are going to do? We are going to divide by this number, 3y square minus 6x. We are going to divide by what? 3y square minus 6x. Same like, suppose you have 3x is equal to 4. What you will do? You divide by 3, right? The same idea. So dy by dx is equal to minus 3x square plus 6y divided by 3y square minus 6x. 3y square minus 6x is your answer. So minus 3x square plus 6y divided by minus 3y square plus 6x minus 6x. Minus 3y square or plus 3y square? 1 minute, I will check it out. Wait a minute. So I checked, it is plus only because there is no minus here. See, 3y square is this side. So dy by dx is going to be this answer. Is this my answer, teacher? Yes, but still you can simplify, right? Can you see the number 3636? Yes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take amal mushtarak here. So what I can take amal mushtarak? 3, I can take it out. If I take t3 out, minus x square plus 2y divided by, if I take 3 as out, y square minus 2x. Okay. So check it out. Minus 3x square plus 6x. 3y square minus 3 gets cancelled. So this equals negative x square plus 2y divided by y square minus 2x. This is your dy by dx. Teacher, do I need to do compulsory this one, teacher? Not necessary. This is also correct answer. Okay, everybody? Let's go to the next question. Given sin x plus cosine y is equal to 2x minus 3y, find dy by dx. Teacher, every questions you are not saying implicit, but in the exam they used to give implicit. Nothing to worry. Otherwise, you need to think y is inside your expression. That's the main shortcut you can find out, right? So let us do this question, right? Sin x plus cosine y is equal to 2x minus 3y, right? So let's start the solution, right? We are going to differentiate. Sin x plus cosine y is equal to 2x minus 3y. I'm going to differentiate with respect to x. Keep in your mind. I'm going to differentiate what? With respect to x. So what is the derivative of sin x? Derivative of sin x is cosine x. Done. What's the derivative of cosine y? It is negative sine y. Are you going to stop it with negative sine y? If you stop here, you have done with respect to y, not with respect to x. So you have to do one more step, dy by dx. Clear everybody? Right. This equals, what is the derivative of 2x? It is 2. What is the derivative of 3y? It is not 3. If you have done 3, it means you have done what? With respect to y. It is y derivative is dy by dx. Okay. Now let me collect all the dy by dx one side and the number terms other side. Okay. Number terms are the terms which is free from dy by dx. So this is dy by dx, this is dy by dx. So negative sine y dy by dx. This comes this side plus positive 3 times dy by dx is equal to 2 is this side. This goes that side, 2 minus cosine x. Okay, everybody? Right. So therefore, I'm taking dy by dx as common, or amal mushtarak you can say. Inside is negative sine y plus 3, which is equal to 2 minus cosine x. Now what I'm going to do? I'm going to get dy by dx is equal to 2 minus cosine x divided by, this will come that side as what? Divide. Minus sine y plus 3. Right. So this is going to become your answer. Teacher, every question you are saying beautiful answer. Is there any beauty here, teacher? It's already beautiful. Okay, right. There is no common terms and there is no terms to simplify in this. So this is your beautiful answer, sin y. Only thing you can make it beautiful is taking minus is common, you can do it. But not necessary. Taking minus, you will make mistakes. Okay, right. Let me go to the next question. Right. If sine x plus y is equal to y square cosine x, find y dash. What is your y dash? Y dash means you are going to find what? Dy by dx. Derivative of y with respect to x. Such a wonderful question. I love this question very much because it's nice. Because you have sine of x plus y. Let's go to the solution, right? Yes, what is the question? Sine of x plus y is equal to y square cosine x. Let me start the derivative. I'm going to differentiate with respect to x. Okay. Sine derivative is what? Cosine x plus y. Is it over? No. After that, you are going to take this derivative. What is the derivative of x? 1. What is the derivative of y? Y derivative is dy by dx. Okay. Is equal to. Now, it looks like a product. Can you see that? So, this is product. Both are functions of x and y. You can say like that. So, y square keep derivative of cosine x is what? Negative sine x plus keep cosine x. What is the derivative of y square? 2y but then dy by dx. Very, very important. Don't forget. Okay. Right. That's it. So, again I'll explain. Y square you keep. Derivative of cosine x is what? Sine x. And then plus keep cosine x. Sorry, negative sine x. Cosine x. Keep sine cosine x. Y square derivative is what? 2y dy by dx. Clear all of you? Yes. Okay. Now we need to simplify. That's it. What is that? Slowly we multiply everything. So now cosine x plus y. This whole thing multiply by this one. Okay. And then plus the whole thing, again I'll do it, whole thing multiply by this dy by dx. So cosine x plus y multiply by dy by dx, which is equal to, slowly do, nothing wrong. Here minus y square sine x, okay, and then plus minus y square sine plus 2y, or I can write first cosine x 2y dy by dx. Clear all of you? Right. Now let us write in a proper way. All the dy by dx we are going to take one side. This is dy by dx. This is dy by dx. So we'll take it one side. Okay. Right. If I take this already, this one cosine x plus y dy by dx is already on the left. This one I'm bringing this side minus cosine x 2y dy by dx I'm bringing to this side. And what are the other terms? This one I'm taking this side minus cosine x plus y. This is already here with minus. So minus y square sine x. Okay. Right. So what I can take common terms? Common term is what? Dy by dx. Amal mushtarak. So if I take dy by dx, what is inside? The inside is cosine x plus y minus cosine x and then 2y. Better I'll put 2y in the front. Otherwise, you will make mistakes. 2y cosine x, because you will multiply with this angle. Keep in your mind, angle is different. This is multiply. This is angle. Keep in your mind. Okay. So 2y cosine x. Clear? Right. So this equals the other side. What is that? The other side is negative cosine x plus y minus y square sine x. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to divide by this term. What is that? Cosine of x plus y minus 2y cosine x. Divide by cosine of x plus y minus 2y cosine x. Why? Because I'm going to find what? Dy by dx. So therefore, my dy by dx is equal to, this gets cancelled, negative cosine x plus y minus y square sine x, right? Divided by cosine x plus y minus 2y cosine x. Clear all of you? Right. This is going to become your answer. What is that? Negative cosine x plus y minus y square sine x over cosine x plus y minus 2y cosine x is your answer. Okay. So this is your answer. Keep it in your mind. So now you ask me, right? Last question. Teacher, this is not going to become a beautiful answer, teacher. This is also a beautiful answer. Only thing is you can take minus as common and you can cut it. That one I'll do this problem. Okay, let's see how it goes, because I told you last problem but I didn't do it. Let me try in this problem. So now what I'm going to do, this is also answer, keep in your mind, correct. Let me do minus as common. See here, there is a minus amal musharak here. So what is inside? Cosine x plus y, and then if I take minus out, it will become what? Plus y square sine x, right? And then divided by, if I want to take minus out, minus should be get cancelled, right? Otherwise no use of taking minus, right? So what I'm going to do, here also I'm taking minuses out. So when I take minuses out, this will become what? Minus cosine x plus y. Why? Because minus of minus is what? Plus. This will become what? Plus 2y cosine x. Clear? Check it out. Minus into plus is what? Minus. So what happens now? This minus and this minus gets cancelled. So you get another beautiful answer, which is cosine x plus y. Again, I'll write in a proper manner. Cosine x plus y, right? And then plus y square sine x over minus cosine x plus y and then plus 2y cosine x. So this is also beautiful answer. Do I need to do this step, teacher? Not necessary. I'm just showing you how to take minus sign out to make it more beautiful. Already this is a beautiful answer, okay? And some more beautiful I'm going to add it. So that's why I'm writing one more step, taking minus as common. But it is not necessary. If you do it, it is okay. Well and good, right? Yes. Let us go to the last question. Question number 22. If g of x plus x sine g of x is equal to x to the power of 2, find g dash of 0. G dash. G dash means what? You are going to take derivative first, g dash of x. After that, you are going to put x is equal to what? 0. That's the meaning. Let us start this question. This is also a nice question. Let us do the solution. What is given? G of x plus x sine g of x is equal to x square. Okay, right. So let us start this question. Again, you remember this is something like a function inside. Okay, right. What is the derivative of g of x? G dash of x. Or you can write dg by dx. But they are using g dash. Let's go with that. Plus, here you have two functions. This also x, this also x. So we should use what? Product rule. Okay, right. So product rule is what? Keep x, teacher. And then the derivative of sine is what? Cosine g of x. And then g of x derivative is what? G dash of x. Why, teacher, you take g dash of x? Let me tell you. If it is sine x, you write the answer cosine x, right? Inside sine, I'm not giving x, something x square. What you do? You write cosine x square. X square derivative is what? 2x. That means what? You are doing the derivative of x square. The same thing, I'm doing the derivative of g of x, which is g dash of x. Clear? Right. So let's go to the next one, which is the product part. Plus, keep sine of g of x, right? And then the derivative of x is what? This one, 1 equals, what is the x square derivative? 2x. That's it. Now you have to arrange the steps. Wow, nice. So let us multiply slowly and make it. So this is your g dash of x plus x times I'll bring it to the front, otherwise you'll make mistake. G dash of x cosine G of x plus sine G of x, okay, right, which is equal to 2x. What's my duty? I need to find only G dash of x. So collect your G dash of x. This is your G dash and this is your G dash. So I'm taking G dash of x amal mushtarak. When I take amal mushtarak, here baki is what? 1. What is the baki here? Remaining x. Not x. X also with cosine, right? I forgot it. Sorry. So this is remainder. This is remainder. After that only plus coming. So x cosine G of x, right? So close the bracket is equal to. Now what are the other terms? This 2x already this side. And this sign goes that side. As how? Minus sine G of x. Okay, right. So what we are going to do? We are going to find G dash of x. So what I'm supposed to do? I supposed to do division. 1 plus x cosine G of x. And supposed to do here 1 plus x cosine G of x. Okay. Do I need to put a bracket, teacher? If you put bracket, you are in the safer side. That's it. Therefore, G dash of x is equal to 2x minus sine G of x, okay, divided by, right, 1 plus x cosine G of x. So, is this my answer, teacher? No. This is your G dash of x. Okay. Now we are going to find what? The question is what? Find G dash of 0. It means you are going to put x equals 0 in G dash of x. So let me put here. So G dash of 0 equals 2 times 0 minus sine G of 0 divided by 1 plus x is 0 and cosine G of 0. Okay, right. What is this, teacher? Sine G of 0. You're going to put x is equal to 0. Look here. If you put x is equal to 0, what happens? Sine G of 0, this part, it's automatically sine 0 is what? 0, right? So this also 0. This also 0. So everything will be what? Sine G of 0 is what? 0. So this is also 0. Okay. If you want, I'll write the steps here. No problem. Suppose you put x is equal to 0 here. So what will be there? G of 0 plus 0 sine G of 0, right? Which is equal to 0 square. So you're going to get what? Putting x is equal to 0, automatically it becomes what? 0. So it happens to be, next is what? G dash of 0 is equal to 0, 0, 0, everything. So you're going to get what? 0. This is 0. This is 0 because multiply 0. So this is also 0, right? And this is 0 and this is 1. So 0 divided by 1, which is equal to 0. So G dash of 0 is equal to what? 0. Clear, everybody? Teacher, for 0 we suffered this much of time, teacher. No, not every time you'll get 0. You may get different answer also, keep in your mind. So this finishes your exercise 2.6, which is implicit differentiation. Clear, all of you? Right. So keep in your mind, we are doing implicit differentiation. So this completes the basic idea of implicit differentiation. In the next video, we will go to the next exercise, which is 2.6, right? The applications. If you understood today's explanation, just comment understood. Or just say I'm happy. Or just say I understood. Whatever it is. And ask your doubts ask your questions in the comment sections. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video with your classmates. See you in the next video, inshallah. Take care all of you. Until then, signing off, Dr. Zahir. Bye-bye.